The journey has already begun.
Our very own CEO, Mr. Jordan Gonzalez!
Love you too. Love you, love you, love you all, love you all. Sensya na kayo. Sensya na. Dapat tawag na si Malupiton kasi. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Kumain ka ba? Ay, nako. Happy day one, Ascenders! Pasensya na kayo, medyo emotional kasi, we're 7 months old and this is overwhelming for us because personally, we don't deserve this kind of support because, we're ordinary people like you. One thing about us, your founders, we founded this in a very humble way because we never actually perceived ourselves to be higher than anyone else here. I myself is a networker also, kaya alam ko yung nararamdaman ng bawat isa sa inyo. Alam ko yung pag-asa, alam ko yung disappointment, alam ko yung risk that you have taken to become part of Ascendra, and we know that. Kaya medyo nagiging emotional ako. But more importantly, ang pinakamagandang nangyayari ngayong araw na to is that sa dami o sa mga nakaraang buwan, 6 months, 7 months, nandito tayo ngayon, ground launching. Officially, I declare that this is our day one. Kaya naman, there's a long road ahead. But we believe that if we work together as a team, if we maintain the culture that we started in Ascendra, we will make history together. And we want you to become part of history. Each one of you should be part of this history. And today, we will bring you the future. The future is not something out there. In Ascendra tonight, we will be revealing to you ano yung mga future na naghihintay sa inyo. So let me just begin. Like a few months ago, we have promised you about our Clarity program, reliable tools, and proven system para mabigyan kayo ng tamang direction to become successful. So, I will just run through yung mga initial na pinangako namin sa inyo sa Clarity program natin, beginning with the enhancements in our portal. But let me just, andyan na ba? Alright, okay. Can we begin the slide, please? Ayan. So, overview lang. For the last 6 months, we have initially launched the Best Barley, the Barley Fusion, of course, the Omega Life, and yung ating digital protection, the accident insurance. And recently, we've added dito sa product and services natin ng Ascend Health. This is our HMO type, but ang term natin dyan is health insurance. Okay? Ayan. Today, we are officially launching Celestial Glow Soap. Pangpaglow. Enriched with olive oil, aloe vera, and rosemary extract to nourish and hydrate the skin, while walnut shell powder gently removes dead skin cells for smoother, brighter complexion. So nakakakinis po siya. Nakakaglow. Hindi lang siya nakakapogi at saka nakakaganda. Alright? Provides deep cleansing, leaving the skin refreshed, revitalized, and healthy looking without the harsh effects of strong chemicals. Ang key features niya, takeaway dito, is that it's formulated in Korea, 100% natural, and of course, dermatologically formulated. So actually, nandito na siya, available na siya, but we're just waiting for one document para we can legally sell them. Target natin, February 15, our LTO should be out by the time. Available na po yan sa counter at sa lahat ng branches natin together with the ATCs. Ayan, pinag-isipang mabuti to ni CFO and of course, ng ating brand experience and product development officer, si Ms. Tin. Next. Ayan, kanina nga pala sa mga maaga dito, you were early here. You had a chance to go around para makita yung mga booths natin. Alright? Yung iba sa inyo nakatikim ng Barley Fusion tsaka Best Barley. Yung iba nakita ko, kilig na kilig habang umiinom. It is apparent, no? Obvious na hindi ka umiinom, kaya doon mo inubos mo yung Best Barley. Tsaka yung Barley Fusion. Ganito lang dapat yung shot eh. Maliit lang. May nakita ko doon, buong baso po, pinalagyan niya doon sa stop namin. Kasi hindi pa pala siya nakakainom. In Your Harmony. Ayan, para sa mga babae. Supplement formulated to support female reproductive and metabolic health, particularly for women with increased nutritional needs, such as those with PCOS or PCOS. Because in the Philippines, research shows and study shows, 1 out of 4 women, 25%, meron po silang undetected, hindi nila alam na meron silang PCOS. So this is a very good supplement for you. In fact, I am in talks with a lot of OBGYN already, and they are very, very interested sa product natin. So it benefits, of course, kasi maraming may hormonal imbalance, so this balances your hormones, supports menstrual cycles, fertility support, may improve ovarian function, insulin regulation, can help insulin sensitivity, improves digestion, heart, brain plus nerve function, proper blood cell function, healthy hair, skin, and nails. Ang active ingredient nito is myo-inositol and folic acid. In the next coming weeks, will have medical doctors that will be discussing the products thoroughly. Ayan, meron na tayong magiging in-house doctors, mga product specialists, who will be giving you deeper insights or mga mas malalim na insight regarding our products. Again, this is available on February 15. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to introduce, all right, our new set of packages. All right? Again, pag available na po itong mga products na to, the Celestial Soap and the Inner Harmony, we will be releasing our new products or new packages. Associate package, merong MVP, MV, at saka MP. Watch out, ipopost din natin ito sa ating official fan page, official Facebook page. Associate, alright, meron tayong Builder, MVP, MV, and MP. Alright, ito yung mga inclusion, value for money, etc. So don't worry because posters will be available very soon. Consultant, 45,500, MVP, MV, and MP. I particularly noticed dun sa nag-testimony kanina, puro consultant yung kanyang pay-in. Alright, so ito yung laman ng mga consultant. Bagong laman. Watch out because we will be announcing this very, very soon. Ayan. Director, MVP, MV, MP. Pero take note, makikita nyo sa director package, this is very important. When we release the new set of packages, meron na tayong MP+. Dahil dun sa MP+, previously, meron na tayong MVP, MV, at saka MP. But right now, meron na tayong MP+, kasi meron na siyang inclusion na Ascend Health dun sa director MP+. Alright? Kasi may mga naghahanap na po nitong Ascend Health, so we've included that dun sa, mastery and protection package natin. Ginawa nating MP+, and that's the reason why may plus siya because we've added Ascend Health. Last of our packages, executive, merong MVP, MV, MP, and if you will notice, meron pa siyang MP+. Ang inclusion niya, kanina sa director, we have 1 Ascend Health, pero dito sa executive, we shall have 2 Ascend Health product. So yan yung mga new set of packages natin. We will be announcing this very soon. Watch out for further announcement. But more importantly, nag-usap kami kanina nila founders Joseph and the other guys. Kahapon natapos yung promo ng ating direct referral. Gustong magregalo sa inyo ng mga co-founders ko? Gusto nyo ba ng regalo sa Valentine's? So, ladies and gentlemen, formally announcing, we shall be extending the direct referral promo until February 14. Ayan, kaya yung iba kasi kahapon or ngayon, ang problema, sarado yung office. Today is February 8, supposed to be ngayon yung deadline, but we will be extending our deadline until February 14. Anyway, Valentine's Day yun, araw ng kapuso, so ibibigay namin sa inyo yun. Next. Ito ang system natin before sa upgrading. When I say upgrading, previously, when you buy your MVP, dati, kung gusto mo mag-upgrade, MVP rin ang upgrade mo. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-criss-cross. Tama? For example, you started with associate as MVP and you wanted to upgrade to, let's say, builder, consultant, or whatever, you can only upgrade dun sa napili mong package in the beginning. Kaya ganyan ang itsura niyan. But in our enhancement, ladies and gentlemen, we're very happy to announce our new upgrade system. Pag bumili ka ng MP, MV, MVP, pwede ka nang mag-cross sa ibang packages kung gusto mong mag-upgrade. Pag nag-MVP ka, pwede ka na mag-upgrade sa MV, MP. Pag nag-MP ka, or MV ka, pwede ka na mag-upgrade sa iba. And pag nag-MP ka, protection, una mong binili, let's say, associate and builder, tapos naisip-isip mo, gusto mo pala ng vitality products, you can actually upgrade to other packages already. Ayan, meron na tayong ganyang feature. Excited ba kayo? Ayan, kasi maraming mga nagre-request sa amin ng facility na yan, and that's the reason why yan yung magiging itsura niya, our new upgrade system. Alright, next. Portal improvements. We would like to show you actually what are the enhancements we were able to develop for the last few weeks. Care, of course, of our business development. May I call on stage? Ayan, yung ating overall. He makes ways. Palakpakan nyo naman si Jed Cerilla. our BDO, Business Development Officer. So, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung mga actual demo ng mga enhancement natin because we promised that to you as part of our Clarity Program. Ladies and gentlemen, bibigyan namin kayo ng magandang mga access and facility pagdating sa ating mga portal. Alright, sige, pwede na nating i-start yung transmission. Portal improvement demo muna. Ayan. Okay, so para live nyong makita, every now and then magsuswitch kami ng camera. Merong nakalagay dito, tsaka merong nakalagay dito. So binubuksan ngayon ni Jed yung isang portal. Alright? Okay, let's show on the screen kung ano yung nasa, ano ni Jed. Ayan. Sige. Yung transmission, let's show on the screen. Alright, so unang pupuntahan ni Jed. Okay, yung My Team. Pupuntahan niya yung team niya. Okay? Ayan. Okay, sa My Team natin, okay, yung number of level muna. Yung left and right ninyo, ayan. Alright. Sino yung nakakaintindi nito? Taas ang kamay. Ibig sabihin yung hindi pa naiintindihan, hindi nyo pa binubuksan yung portal ninyo. Okay? So, again, naboblow up natin, na-enhance, na-zoom in, na-zoom out. Makikita nyo na total left, and then total right. And then you can actually choose the level. Alright, sa binary tree, yan ang makikita natin. Pero ang enhancement dito, next, Jed, ayan! Nandiyan na kayo, makikita nyo na sa network activity. Makikita nyo na yung, makakapili na kayo, pwede nyo nang ma-filter. Ano yung enrollment lang? Kung gusto nyo enrollment lang, ang makita nyo sa window na to. Kung gusto nyo makita, reorder, rank up, kung gusto nyo makita yung mga renewal, pwede na kayo mamili para hindi na kayo nalilito na nakikita nyo all at once. So pinindot ni Jed, enrollment lang, kaya lahat ng makikita nyo, left and right, lahat lang ng enrollment na makikita nyo sa window na yan. Hindi na siya halo-halo. Okay? Tapos yung mga hindi pa naka-place, ang nakalagay, NA, not applicable. Hindi ba dapat NP yan? Not placed? Alright, biro lang. Next. Pakita mo, Jed, yung renewal, for example. Kung gusto mo makita yung renewal, activity type, pang-click mo yung renewal and then apply. Fetching data, hopefully mabilis siya. Kasi minsan mabagal yung net dito sa place. So ayan, pag ang lalabas dyan, ayan, executive. Ang example kasi natin, si Thor, subscription purchase for March 2026, ang sponsor niya si Brian Thor. So ayan yung makikita nating renewal. Ibig sabihin yan, yung subscription. Okay, next. Order, for example. Order is our product reorder. Ayan. Fetching data. So, in other words, mapi-filter nyo na kung ano yung gusto nyong ma-view. Unlike previously, halo-halo kaya mahirap siyang mabasa. Okay? Ayan. Merong bumili sa kanya, si Lincoln. Sa left side niya, nag-purchase ng 3,100 pesos, etc. Real time ang crediting niyan. Alright. Thank you, Jed. Next. Ayan. Ito, previously, yung overall total commission, meron diyang date dati. Tinanggal na natin yung date, pinakita na lang natin, total commission, buo. Ang maganda rito, pati yung sa essential ninyo, merong total na cumulative, and yet meron ding available balance, meron din sa cumulative ng expansion account ninyo, and available balance, and meron ding enjoyment account. Meron ding for available balance, such that when you're talking to your prospects, madali nyo mapapakita yung mga improvement or yung kinikita ninyo. Alright? Commission history. Ayan, makikita nyo na lahat dito. Alright, starting balance, etc. Ano yung binili? Pwede nyo na rin ma-filter kung ano yung gusto nyo makita. From unilevel, overriding commission, binary, unified unilevel, product services, direct referral, etc. Pwede nyo na siyang ma-filter. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Ayan. Monthly income, yan. Makikita na natin, mayroon ng summary, etc. Okay, meron ding 2025. If you wanna look at your data last year, you can actually find them here. Alright? Ayan, expansion for this example, meron siyang essential income na 138,000, expansion na 15,000 for a total income of 153,000 pesos. Next. Okay na yan? Alright, so next slide na ako. Balik na ako sa aking presentation. Ayan, but before I even introduce this one, ladies and gentlemen, again, like what we have promised, we want to bring the future here with you. So ladies and gentlemen, the future is not far away. And I'm proud to say, as an MLM solution company, also we will be a tech or technology company. And as we promised previously, maglalabas tayo ng AI. Ladies and gentlemen, the future is right in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you, mga kaibigan, our Turbo AI! Ayan. So si Turbo AI, balik mo na, Jed. So ladies and gentlemen, alright, ito na yung pinangako namin sa inyo na, what do you call this? Pakita yung slide ko please. Para nyo siyang AI companion. It is our version of your being assistant. Para kang merong tagagawa ng calendar mo, tagagawa ng mga kung ano-anong tasks mo, while at the same time, your basic inquiries can now be answered by Turbo AI. Kaya kung merong ChatGPT, merong Gemini, ang Accenture International, meron ng Turbo AI. So, in the next coming weeks, maybe about 4 weeks to 6 weeks, makikita nyo na tong bubble chat na ito, itong facility na to, na napapaloob sa portal ninyo. So, para mapakita namin sa inyo kung paano siya nagagamit, alright. Okay? Ito yung mga, Ito muna? Okay. Ayan. Bago ko ipuntahan yung Turbo AI, papakita namin sa inyo yung mga prime ranks natin are already available sa ating portal. Malalaman na ng portal yung promotion mo. And in fact, for the last 6 months, we have already some partners na na-promote to prime partners. So ito ngayon yung mga portal, alright, ng ating mga prime partners. Yan yung ating rank emblem. Makikita ninyo yung PP, prime partner. And I'm happy to announce, over the last 6 months, our prime partners, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan na. Oh, namnamin yung mabuti. In alphabetical order. So nakapag-rank up na sila from executive. They have higher earning potential now that they are prime partners in our ranking. Our second set of prime partners, ayan, picturean ninyo. Hindi namin sinabi sa inyo that we will recognize you tonight. So these are all our new prime partners. Congratulations everyone. Ayan. Yan ang mga una nating nakasama for the last 6 months. But we have only one lead partner for the last 6 months, Mr. Boyet Dalogdog. Congratulations, Boyet. Ayan. Okay. Congratulations. So I'm encouraging everyone, sa portal nyo ngayon, mababasa na ng system natin yung analytics nyo, kung ilan ang inyong kulang pa sa left and right in terms of the requirements. Now, our system can suggest how you can actually be promoted to the position or next position that you want to attain. Alright? Next. Lifestyle reward, available na rin to. Next. Makikita nyo na rin yung feature ng lifestyle reward natin. Makikita nyo na yan sa facility. Previously, 0 lagi ang laman yan. Ngayon, makikita niyo, meron na tayong calculation ng lifestyle reward every time na meron tayong monthly lifestyle reward. For the last few months, wala tayong shopping, wala tayong gadget, wala tayong car incentive or car lifestyle because we have shifted everything to the Boracay trip this coming April. So you still have a chance to qualify for Boracay. And let me tell you this, akala nung iba, wala na silang chance kasi natapos na yung pre-qualifying last December. So we are officially announcing, kahit natapos na yung pre-qualifying last December, any one of you na gusto pa rin sumama, you can still qualify for the Boracay trip. Basta makuha niyo yung requirements, you can come sa Boracay trip. And we are expecting more than 200 people to qualify for this trip. All expense paid. We're gonna have a great time sa Boracay. Lahat kayo magkukulay orange na trunks at saka swimsuit. Yun ang requirement natin. Para pag nandun tayo, ang tawag, orange people. Ayan. Next, please. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're very happy to announce, as part of our holdings company, remember, those who have been with us, especially the founding partners, we have announced that our company is actually a holding company. Doon sa pinakataas ng holdings natin, yan po yung Ascendra Legacy Holdings Company. And below that, sa ating structure, meron tayong MLM company, meron tayong Ascendra International or Ascendra Insurance Agency. By the way, we are already a registered insurance agency. Kaya tayo merong AIA. So MLM, Ascendra International, Ascendra Insurance Agency. We have a business solution. And right now, we're happy to announce that our new technology division, we will call AscendWorks. Ayan yung ating technology division. Alright? So part of the division, yan ang nag-develop ng ating system, and yan din ang nag-develop ng ating AI. And I'm not sure if he's already here. Andito na ba? Wala pa? Alright? Yung ating Chief Technology Officer. Alright? Si Thor, he's not yet here. But we would like to show you our AI. Excited ka na ba? Excited ka na ba? O, sino gumagamit dito ng ChatGPT? DeepSeek? Gemini? O, ito ngayon. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you, Turbo AI. Ayan. Siya yung Ascendra AI companion ninyo. So, makikita nyo na yan sa portal ninyo in the next coming weeks. Alright, next please. Hindi gumagana. Your AI companion, you can ask anything. Ang specialty niya, Ascendra. When I say ask anything, huwag nyo na tatanungin kung kailan pinanganak si Britney Spears. Alright? Ask anything, trained with Ascendra in mind, Ascend Training Sales Coaching. Lahat dyan, i-feed natin ng analytics mo so that AI can actually analyze your network and give you suggestions paano ka lalong mapopromote and paano mo pwedeng palakihin ang income ninyo. This AI will specialize in network marketing, and I'm telling you, in the industry right now, especially in the Philippines, tayo pa lang ay may kauna-unahang AI companion sa buong MLM. Alright? Next. Ayan. Tatlo ang mode niya. Merong tinatawag na think mode. As the center product knowledge and sales methodologies widen, make use of the pool of knowledge to answer more complex questions. So meron siyang mode na think mode. We will demonstrate this live to you in a while. Next. Aside from the think mode, meron siyang creative mode. Create high-quality images instantly to support your content, marketing, and visual ideas. Magta-type ka lang. Example. Kaya lang, Inglesero pa siya, hindi pa siya marunong mag-Tagalog. Because baby AI pa lang siya. It's called infant AI. Hindi pa siya matured. Pinanganak siya ng Inglesero. So it's English speaking. You cannot type Tagalog. Because it was, we gave birth to this in an English language environment. Gusto kong gumawa ng social media post at tanggalin natin tong design na to para mabasa ko. Gusto kong gumawa ng social media post tungkol sa babae na umiinom ng best barley upang i-promote ang produkto at ipakita ang mga benepisyo. Nag-isip, give us like 1 minute, 2 minutes, ang lumabas. Ito po, pang-post na magagamit nyo na sa Facebook page ninyo. Maganda. Next, bukod sa creative mode, meron siyang analysis mode. Because your data will be integrated with this so that the AI can actually analyze your network, so it can give you exact business analytics, exact data analytics, para pag may tinanong ka, hindi ka na magtatanong kay Jed kung ilan ang left and right mo. Hindi ka na magtatanong kung ilan ang nag-subscribe. Hindi ka na magtatanong ng kung ano, because the AI itself can answer you. For example, can you tell me how many are my downlines and their ranks? Lalabas na kaagad. Sasabihin na kaagad sa'yo ni AI. So right now, like what I've been telling in our value proposition before, you are not now building your network by yourself with the help of your sponsor, with the help of your success partners, with the help of your growth partners, or with the help of your brother lines, with the help of the company. Ngayon na magpapalaki ng grupo nyo, hindi na lang tao. Ang magpapalaki ng grupo nyo, technology na. Now, one good thing here, hindi siya napapagod. Hindi katulad natin, napapagod tayo. Next. Ayan na. Tailor-fitted to the niche Ascendra network marketing experience. Naka-tailor talaga siya, hindi general. Unlike when you use other open AI sources, like for example, ChatGPT, pag nag-type ka, alam niya generally lahat. Ito, naka-specialize siya sa network marketing. It is powered by a 70 billion parameters. Medyo technical side siya, pero pag sinabing parameters, ito yung data, ito yung kaalaman, ito yung intelligence. Kumbaga sa bata, alright, ang nabasa niyang libro, 70 billion ang nabasa niyang libro. Para marami siyang intelligence na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo. When in fact, the average development of AI is only about 20 to 40 billion. Our developers were able to do it. Binigyan, finit, over 70 billion parameters. Ganun kadami. At habang ginagamit natin siya, and we encourage you to use it and use it and use it, para dumami pa yung data niya, para tumalino ng tumalino si Baby AI. It can analyze your own Ascender performance and data directly, such that bibigyan ka ng feed, bibigyan ka ng analysis, the AI can now analyze your team for every line. It can actually analyze problems before they can actually blow up, or full-blown, before they can actually develop into a full-blown problem. Binibigyan ka na ng analysis ni AI para pagka in-analyze niya, hindi ka basta-basta ma-attrition kasi binigyan ka na ng data ni AI. Nag-gets niyo ba siya? So bibigyan ka niya ng feedback, bibigyan ka niya ng information. So at this time, i-demo namin sa inyo. Okay, kung paano siya. So mauna muna tayo sa, next please. Ayan. Next. Next. Ayan. I-demo namin sa inyo. So ang gagawin namin muna, punta muna tayo sa think mode. So si BDO, si Jed, magta-type siya ng tanong na nasa think mode, tapos ipapakita namin sa inyo on screen. Random question lang, pero related sa business ng MLM or network marketing. The question should be directed towards MLM. So we can transmit now. Yung monitor, please. Ayan. Ayan. So ganito yung magiging interface niya. Yung mukha niya pag pumasok kayo, when it's already available. So Jed, anong tatanungin mo? Ang tanong ni Jed sa think mode, how do I invite a friend to Ascendra who does not have money? Ay, ito, maganda to. Sa Tagalog, paano mag-invite ng walang pera? Ayan. Thinking. 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 Ayan ang sagot niya. Kumusta, Tor? I'm happy to help you with that as an executive kasi bibigyan ka niya ng suggestion based on your position. You've already taken the lead in sharing the Ascendra opportunity with others. For your friend who doesn't have the financial means to join, I'd like to offer a few suggestions. Number 1, share the benefits. Blah, blah, blah. Number 2, explore financing options. Number 3,
introduce them to Ascender International Forum. Number 4, offer support and guidance. In summary, remember Thor. The key is to be empathetic and understanding of your friend's situation. By sharing the Ascender opportunity in a way that resonates with them, you can help them see the potential benefits and take the first step towards improving their financial situation. Tingnan mo, meron parang sulat oh. Ang sweet, best regards. Ibaba mo ulit. Your growth advisor. Palakpakan nyo naman. Oh, para sabihin yung hindi doktor, random. Magtanong ka pa, Jed. Isa pa, bago tayo pumunta sa kabila. What's on your mind, Jed? How to explain Ascendra International in 1 minute. Akahaba naman yan. Magbabasa tayo ng 1 minute, Jed. Thinking. Thinking. Yoo. Ayun, no? O, baba mo muna, Jed. Pakitaas. Ayan, in 1 minute, kumusta? Again, meron siyang summary. Start with the problem. Introduce the solution. Alright? Highlight the benefits. Emphasize the potential. Here's a sample script to help you get started. Hi! Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a financial rut? Like you're working hard but not getting ahead? Ascender International offers a solution. Our business model allows you to earn additional income and improve your financial situation. As part of your community, you'll have access to exclusive products, training, and support, plus you'll have the potential to grow and succeed not just financially but also personally. It's a chance to take control of your finances and create a better future for yourself and your loved ones. Palakpakan nyo naman. Huwag kayong mag-alala, sa hindi pa marunong gumamit ng ganito, tuturuan namin kayo. Next, Jed. Punta tayo sa Analyze mode. Sa Analyze, more or less, ang ipapakita ni AI, yung anong analytics mo. Question. How can I qualify as a prime partner? Enter. Analyzing. So kanina thinking, ito analyzing. So based on our marketing plan, compensation plan, and business rule documents or BRD, pang! Ipapakita niya yung requirements paano maging prime partner. Ayan. Oh. Based on your position, ito ang ibibigay niyang analytics. Sabi niya, oh, you have sponsored 16 members, satisfying the count. Your binary leg distribution is also satisfied. Blah, 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 blah. Ayun, nasa baba, to qualify as prime partner, you need to address the group B fee, shortfalls, etc. May time constraint. Tapos may next steps. Ayan, ibibigay niya na yung requirement para sa prime partnership position. Next. Ano pa? Jed. Sa Analyze. How can I maximize my binary income? O, based ulit sa analytics mo yan, sa data mo yan. Analyzing. Nag-iisip pa si Turbo AI. Cute ba yung mascot natin? Gusto niyo ng mascot? Ayan. Ayan. To maximize your binary income, you need to address the imbalance between your left and right binary legs. So, binary, optimization requirement, required action, expected result. Pakibaba, Jed. Thank you. By taking these steps, you can maximize your binary income and make the most of your current binary structure. Powerful ba? Powerful ba? O, ayan. Next. Doon na tayo sa create. Hinuli namin yung create kasi nag-iisip siya. Ito yung meron ng pictures. Tingnan nyo siya. Jed. Create siya. Show me a pickleball. Ba? Bakit pickleball? Uso. Malamang nagpi-pickleball ka ba? Show me a pickleball, court game, and best barley on the foreground. Ayan. So, ayan, pagdating sa create mode, medyo matagal siya mag-analyze kasi nagtatry pa siyang maghanap sa source niya kung ano yung best picture na pwede niyang gamitin para ma-post niyo sa Facebook page ninyo. Alright? Ayan, generating, creating. Ayan. Kasi madalas tayo, nag-grab tayo ng mga pictures sa images sa Google. O kaya, alam niyo na, minsan pag nakukuha natin, pixelized na. Ayan ang itsura niya. Oh. Ayan tuloy, think and drink. Pickleball and refreshment. Ayan, nakita niyo siya? Ang gumawa ng whole image na to, si Turbo AI na. Ipopost niyo na lang sa fan page ninyo. Meron ka pang isa? Last, Jet? Create. Ulit. Oh, si Jet, oh. Help me make a post pitching Omega Live. Dito, ang kailangan palang matutunan dito, by the way, yung tamang prompt. When I say tamang prompt, it's the right question. Even if you ask other AI, kailangan tama yung prompting kung tawagin. So, yung prompting ang pinaka-importante. For this example, help me make a post pitching Omega Live to my busy office friends. Ayan. So, nag-grab pa siya ng mga pictures. Ayan. Nag-iisip. Generating. May lag lang siya ng konti kasi nag-create pa siya ng images. Pero eventually, ayan! Ayan ang nagawa niya. Boost your workday. Stay focused and energized with Omega Life. Pero ang pinakita niya, barley. Nasaan? Ayun, nasa baba. Sabi mo kay AI, wag niyang tatakpan. So, tinakpan niya kasi ito, eh, oh. Ayan. Dapat yung font niya nandito or kaya nasa baba. Alright? What's next, Jed? Okay na yun. O, palakpakan naman natin si Jed. Next slide, please. Ayan, balik na ako. Next slide sa presentation ko. Balik na ako dyan. Excited na ba kayo? Now, ang sales pitch dito, we are the first ever network marketing to ever use and introduced here in the Philippines. Kaya, mga kaibigan, may training tayo dyan. When we launch that, may tamang prompting, etc. that can actually help you to build your dreams. So, mga kaibigan, ilan lang yan sa mga ipapatulong o ipapalabas namin para matulungan kayo sa pag-build ninyo. We are here to help you grow. We have the technology to build your business everywhere. Kaya mga kaibigan, let's all ascend together. Good evening to each and every one of you. Turbo!